things you will need include an empty water bottle, some rose water. I like to use Cortas. I got it from Amazon, and they have other brands on Amazon, but I really like Cortas rose water. And one of these oils. You can use aceite de almendras, sweet almond oil, or aceite de vitamina E, vitamin E oil. I alternate between the two, but for today's video, I'm going to use vitamin E oil since most of you have heard Yanni saying half rose water, half vitamin E oil. Let's get to it. Atreyu is back, yeah. Atreyu is back, yeah. Atreyu is back, yeah. Atreyu. Alright, so if you want to do the half and half mixture, then this is what I suggest you do. I like this because this is a 2.2 fluid ounce bottle of vitamin E oil, so it's not too much. I don't like to make too much of a batch because it can go bad before I get to actually use it all. So I'm just going to pour all of that vitamin E oil into the bottle like that. And now an easy way to figure out what half and half is to take your rose water and simply fill the vitamin E bottle up with it. Now you don't have to worry about using a measuring cup or anything. And then you pour that into your spray bottle. And voila, you now have a mixture that is half vitamin E oil, half rose water. Alright, so then we will put the top back on this. And then, you see it didn't really mix because it's oil and rose water. It probably mixed a little bit more than it would if it was just regular water. But then you shake it. And you'll get more of a cloudy, opaque solution. And you always want it to look like this. You want it to be opaque before you spray it in your locks. So make sure you shake it well before you spray it into your locks, because remember, oil by itself doesn't moisturize. It's actually the rose water that is bringing moisture to your locks, and the vitamin E oil or the sweet almond oil, if you chose to use that, that's what's sealing the moisture in and causing it to not evaporate as quickly as it normally would had an oil coating not been there to prevent it, to act as a barrier, to slow down the drying process. That was a lot. Did you get it all though? So say it again, remember that oil, if I was just to put oil on my locks, that wouldn't moisturize them. Oil doesn't moisturize. Water moisturizes. Rose water moisturizes. So that's why we mix this and this. You mix these two together, and then the rose water will penetrate your locks and moisturize them. And then the vitamin E oil that it's mixed in will coat your locks and help to retain that moisture. Now, you also might be wondering, well, can I just use rose water? What if I just put that in a spray bottle and then spray my locks with that? Wouldn't that moisturize my locks since rose water and water moisturizes? The answer is yes, it would moisturize your locks for sure. But you wouldn't be able to have the same level of moisture retention. That is to say, your locks would not stay moisturized as long because you don't have an oil coating to keep the moisture inside your locks. So that is why we don't just use rose water or water, because we want to keep the moisture in as long as possible. And we also don't just use an oil because oil doesn't moisturize. But together, you get moisture for as long as possible. Make sense? Good. So now that I have my solution made, it's time to moisturize. Don't forget to shake it again. Remember, you want it to be opaque before you spray it onto your locks so that you are assured of the fact that it is well mixed. And then just go to your scalp. Or if you have hair that grows away, like I do, to as close to your scalp as you can get. And you can adjust how you want to spray. If you want to spray like a stream, and just go in between your locks, you know, to the parts, that works. I kind of like to do that when I'm trying to get more directly at the scalp. I'll split my locks and then kind of go in between them. Kind of reminds me of how people used to grease their scalps. They part their hair and then use their finger to put the grease, to apply the grease to the scalp. It's kind of like that, except you're using the spray. And just kind of do it all over. And kind of massage it in as well. Then you can take both hands and just kind of massage your scalp. Now that you know it has the mixture on it, then you can adjust your spray bottle so that it's more of a spray, and then you can spray your locks. See how it gave more of a spray? And really work the ends as well, because it's the oldest part of your hair. It's also the hair that's farthest from your scalp, where the sebum is released, so it needs the extra love. Doesn't hurt to have a milkshake, especially if you need to rest those arms. And now I'm going to go from my scalp all the way down the length of my locks, just to make sure I've spread it throughout my locks. I can feel this still needs a little love. Get back at it. Alright, and this is what my now moisturized locks look like. Let me show you the views. And there you have it. These are my now moisturized locks. I hope you have enjoyed my moisture routine. As always, please learn to love unconditionally, because loving with conditions conditions the heart to not really love at all. So Atreyu is out.